Hello there. You must be wondering what I'm doing here in this shot right after I was last riding through upper West Bengal. So in the last day of riding that you saw me doing, I was traveling from Siliguri to Bongaigaon, which is in Assam. So I was about to leave the state of West Bengal and enter the state of Assam due to unforeseen circumstances and a little bit of bad luck, as it always can happen when you're riding through India or wherever in the world. I could not proceed further, and my bike needed some urgent maintenance, some urgent work, and I had to stay here for a few days, treat my bike, and wait for things to get better, and then proceed further on my journey. I halted in a place near Birpara here in West Bengal, and luckily where I realized there was a problem when I halted my ride, there was a Royal Enfield service center in the middle of nowhere here in Birpara. Not a big ass service center, but big enough for me to cater to my bike. So I halted here for a few days, took care of the bike, took a nice little break for myself as well. The first thing that I did was get my bike on a tow truck, get it to the service center. There were a few issues that were needed to be taken care of. We waited for a few days. There were some parts that they had to order in from major cities in and around. So that took quite a while. I think I halted here for 3 to 4 days. This also gave me a nice experiencing the local villages in and around Bengal here. And I haven't been much lucky to do that all this while. So I thought this is a good idea. So today I just rode down here, found a little river, took a nice little dip, walked through the riverside. Are we ready to go? Let's call it a day. Hopefully ride to my motel. I'll rest for today, pack all my luggage. I hope you've been liking the story so far. Hopefully after this cut, you're gonna see me on the road.